and they would go in with their big radio voice and, just butcher it and not have any personality or character to it.
Did you always want to be behind the scenes, or did you want to be in front of the camera?
I always wanted to be the storyteller. Yeah, I was behind the scenes for a lot at the beginning of my career because I was a copywriter and the creative director. And so I was back really kind of creating ideas, which was good. That was very natural for me. But the reason I got into voiceover was because that concept and that story that I was creating would then just leave my fingers and go off to somebody else in a voice booth. And they would go in with their big radio voice and, just butcher it and not have any personality or character to it. So I started basically writing myself in and faced all sorts of criticism from the standard radio guys of, well, you sound too young and, all this stuff. And I learned just to stay who I am and try to have that real, natural, comfortable sound. Of course, I can act it and shape a character in a million different ways, but for that everyday thing, it was just, it was a matter of just getting in and doing it. So